As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. So let's give this a try. I've been thinking about this one. I don't think I've done this before. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to do it inside out even though we're doing liquids. Just to keep the pattern correct. Alright. And I'm going to start off diagonally. Not quite. Let's go ahead and do this. So this is going to be my fold line. So I'm going to start doing an accordion down this way. Make sure these sleeves are laid out pretty well. And then we'll start this accordion. Okay. Pull this out, see if I can mostly adjust these without having to manually mess with them too much. I'd say that's actually pretty good considering the time I put into it. Alright, now I've thought about spiraling this direction through the center versus on an end, and I'm not really sure. I know I don't want to do both. And once I start, it'll deform the rest of these accordions, so I kind of need to be sure what I want to do, or I get to realign everything again. Oop. Okay, I think I'm going to do it from one end. So, is that on the camera? Looks like it. Great. So I'm going to take this, go ahead and start rolling this accordion. Like that. I'm going to put one rubber band on, but that's just to hold this in place while I do the rest. Like that. And take a look on the bottom. Okay. Looks like that's up a little higher than it should be. I'm actually going to tuck this under. There we go. Great. Grab the ruler and a pen. Now, I've already picked out 6 colors, so it would be nice if this was 6 inches, but that's not. Oh, it's pretty close. So I'm going to take the center point, mark that, and then come out. Looks like about an inch and an eighth for each one. I'm going to do this center part first. That's to do the center and then mark everything. But I'm already this far, so. Actually, yeah, that should hold. Okay, this is what we have. I might dye it from the back side since it's a tighter compression than the front, but off to dye. Alright, so the colors I'm using: deep orange, lemon yellow, bright green, carnelian blue, and deep purple. I'm also going to be doing something on the back side. Not sure what it's going to be, probably black. So all of these are from Dharma, and they have all been thickened with about 1/8 of a teaspoon of guar gum and a total of about 4 ounces of water. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the dye. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for a few hours and then we'll do the next. Alright, so it's been several hours. I've put a little aluminum foil boat underneath it so that I can pour the liquid dye in. And I'm going with dark black from Custom Colors. So I mixed up about 12 ounces. I shouldn't need that much, but just in case. And I'll just go ahead and pour it in this little section here that I've got set up for it. I'm going to start out pouring it about halfway up, and over the course of the next probably 12 hours or so, I'll actually get it about 3/4 of the way up just by adding it periodically to get it to where I want it to be. And then I'll let that sit. I'll probably end up doing the washout in about 18 hours, 16 to 18 hours. It's been about 24 hours. Let's start the washout. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll get this washed and then we'll take a final look. So here's the result. I was expecting more black, and there's quite a bit of little parts that came through onto the white. So anyways, I was expecting a solid black on here, and it didn't come out that way. I think I tied it too tight. Probably could have gone in and added a little more of the color each time too. But overall, the concept I think works pretty good. There seems to be more black on this area than on this side. Although I kind of do like this versus the more solid, if it was just consistent all the way around. So I might try this again, slightly changing it, maybe twisting from that center point when it was tied up. I went from one end. I might try, that instead and do another one. I don't know. What do y'all think? And any other suggestions you have for doing a variation on this type, let me know. Until next time, thanks for watching.